Sneezing, also known as sternutation, is a protective reflex of the body. The primary function of sneezing is to clear the nasal passages of irritants. This reflex acts as a natural air filter cleaning system. Sneezing ensures that the airways remain unobstructed. This helps maintain optimal respiratory function. Sneezing is triggered when irritants enter the nasal passage. Tiny particles like dust, pollen, or smoke can irritate the nasal mucosa. Irritation is sensed by special nerve endings of the trigeminal nerve. These nerve endings then transmit a signal to the sneeze center. The sneeze center is located in the brainstem. The brain initiates coordinated muscle actions upon receiving a specific signal. This coordination involves multiple muscle groups working in synchrony. The process often begins with taking a deep breath to maximize lung capacity. Protective measures, such as closing the eyes, may also be triggered. Simultaneously, throat, chest, and abdominal muscles contract in preparation for the action. A sneeze is a forceful expulsion of air from the lungs. The air is ejected through both the nose and mouth. This expulsion can reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour. The sneeze ejects droplets containing mucus and irritants. This process effectively clears the airway of foreign particles. The explosive nature of a sneeze helps to dislodge and expel irritants.